Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups.
17th January 2021, and today's star is Satabhisha, the star of Rahu. And today's planetary position we can see Mars at Aries, Rahu at Taurus, Ketu at Scorpio, we can see Venus at Sagittarius, and at Capricorn Saturn, Jupiter, Sun and Mercury, and Moon moves from Capricorn to Aquarius today. So these are the planetary positions. And for Aries, as Rahu is very strong today and needs to be, they should be very much careful in the communication because Rahu sits at the second house. They may find some issues and controversies in the family life also. So they should be very much careful in those areas. There are job opportunities for jobless. So they will get some good opportunities today. As Moon is in the 11th house, some may face some good luck and very much enjoyable at the workplace. So it seems to be very much happy. Some can invest money in share market and find the small profits also. Ketu is in the 8th house, they may bring some good luck also. So it seems to be very much positive for them. For Taurus, as Rahu is strong today, some may find health related issues because Rahu is today at the Taurus. There is a strong conjunction of planets at the 9th house, so some may find lucky time with the father's family. They should be very much careful with the business partners as well as life partners also, because Ketu is there at the 7th house. Their hard work and efforts will help them to bring a lot of good results today. They may find some health related issues which they need to be very much careful. For Gemini, as Rahu is very strong and it is at the 12th house, some may find high expenses and some may find foreign opportunities also. Those who are expecting for visas, they could get all these things. Those who are waiting for visa for a very long time, they may get visas through and they can even ready to travel abroad. As Moon is at the 9th house, will give more strength to their mind and keep them very much happy today. Mercury is at the 8th house, is not so favorable for them. So it may give some stress because those who are having Mercury running as a Dasa or Mahadasa, they may find some tough time if Mercury is not in a proper place. They should take care of their children's health also. In case of Cancer, as Rahu is very strong in the 11th house and today it's the star of Rahu, some may get good profits and income also. As Mercury is in 8th house, is not so good, some may find some mental stress also. So as Moon, it is the owner of the house, it's the 8th house, it may not give some positive results, it will give some stress. There may be lack of confidence today. As Sun is strongly conjuncted and Sun is also in the 7th house, some may find some issues with the life partners which they need to be very much careful. For Leo, as Rahu is very strong in the 10th house, there are chances some may find good time in the workplace. They show more interest and they showcase their talents also. As Moon is at the 7th house, there are chances some may find some good alliances for those who are waiting to get married. So it's a good time for them. In case of Virgo, as Rahu is very strong in the 9th house, some may find problems with the father's health and father's side family also. 5th strong is strong. 5th house is very strongly conjuncted. So there may be some expenses for children also. It could be for the studies or for their any playful times, etc. Some can invest in shares or mutual funds and find some small profits also. In case of Libra, as Rahu is very strong in 8th house, some may find get back their lended monies for very long time. So those who are lended money to others, they can find the money coming back to them. There is a strong conjunction of planets at the 4th house will give both positive and negative results. So they should be very much careful in doing the investments. They may find some problems with the health on the mother's side family, or there may be conflicts with them also. But hard work will definitely help them to achieve all the things in the life. In case of Scorpio, as Rahu is very strong in the 7th house and today is being the star of Rahu, some may find the troubles with the life partners. There may be some issues in the family. Some may get benefited from their life partner also. There is a positive thing also for those who are having a very strong Rahu and a positive Rahu Mahadasha running. They can expect some positive results from their life partners. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 3rd house, their hard work will support them a lot. They can achieve a lot today. They can expect some good support from their younger brothers and sisters. In case of Sagittarius, as Rahu is very strong in the 6th house, some may face their enemies and they challenge very bravely and win out of all of them, and they can succeed them very well. There is a strong conjunction of planets at the 2nd house. Some can find some good revenue also, but at the same time they should be careful in the communication, because 2nd house it also indicates communications. Some may find expenses for marriages or purchase of assets. In case of Capricorn, as Rahu is very strong in the 5th house, some may find health issues with their children. There is a strong conjunction of planets at Capricorn today. Some may find the trouble with their own health also, so they need to spend a lot for themselves as well as for the children. Some may get back their long pending amount which is lended to others. It's a positive sign for them. For Aquarius, as Rahu is very strong in the 4th house, some may find problems in the fixed assets purchases, so they need to invest very carefully. They may find some losses in the share market also. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 12th house, expenses seems to be huge today. The chances of finding good job opportunities also there, and their hard work will yield definitely good results. There may be more expense both at the work as well as at the business places. For Pisces, as Rahu is very strong at this 3rd house, some may find their hard work fruitful today, because they will not be very lazy. They will be very active and very vibrant today, and they will achieve many things. Some may get benefited from their younger brothers and sisters also. More positive things will happen today, as Mars is very strong, and they should be careful in their communication also. Some can invest a small amount in the share market and find some good profit also. So that's all for the day, and I'll catch you up tomorrow. Thanks.